What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Roy, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be fooling around with Yvette. I bought some lettering for it probably 3 or 4 months ago, and the weather's been kind of bad. I've been sick, so it's a pretty good day. I'm feeling pretty good, and so I'm gonna stick these letters on here, and also I'm gonna show you guys a mod that I've never seen on another C5 Corvette, or any Corvette for that matter. I was gonna save this video for later because I hadn't completely installed it. I did one side, but I figured I'll show you guys me doing the other side so you'll have an idea of how it's done, and I won't get 3 million questions in a comment. So if you want to know, if you like the mod and you want to do it yourself, I suggest you watch the video all the way through, because if you ask me something that I explained to you in the video, I'm not gonna respond. You know, I'm not trying to be an asshole or nothing like that, but I can't spend my day answering questions that I already gave you the answers to. So just do us both a favor and pay attention to the whole video if you're into this and you think it's pretty cool. If not, you know, it's fine. Click off of it. I don't care. I already scraped all the old glue and stuff out of these little slots where the old lettering was. So right now I'm just gonna give me some rubbing alcohol, put a little bit on the rag, clean it out, make sure ain't no debris or nothing in there. Let's try to get it fairly clean so the double-sided tape will stick as good as possible. I don't want to leave no dirt in there, so that'll be peeling off in a day or two. Thinking about alcohol, man, it dries really fast. So not like water or nothing. You have to sit there and wait for it to dry pretty quick. Let you guys get a view of it before I do the letters, so you'll see the before and after. That's what it looked like before the letters. So let's go ahead and get them put on there. You know what? Instead of me wasting my time and walking you guys through this slow process, it's just sticking letters on, so I won't even waste time on that. So we'll do it just quick before and after, time lapse or something, I don't know. All right, guys, we got the letters all put on, and this is the after. I think it looked a lot better with the letters black. Keep in mind, my car needs painting, so it's scuffed up, scratched up, all the above. And I'm kind of revealing part of what I'm doing to my car, but maybe y'all won't catch it anyway. But yeah, this is the first phase of today's little exercise with Yvette. All right, guys, I already started sticking a piece underneath. Give me something to hold on to. And before I stuck that, I wiped down the spot where I'm going to lay my LED strip, which is going to be on the frame for the most part. So before you stick it, try to clean everything up as good as possible. I'm using rubbing alcohol again. Clean it up as good as I can get it, and then stick a piece, clean, move forward. I'm making a mess, but y'all get it. You know, once I get it all stuck up there, I'll get back with you.
A few inches later.
All right, guys, the easy part is out of the way. Got it all put up. Some of it is not gonna stick. It's gonna be kind of loose like this because it's not a completely flat surface all the way down the car. Really, the surface is bad underneath this car for this, but do it for cheap. Get it done. I'm gonna get back under here and probably add a little glue to hold it up. If I have to pull it back down and re-stick it, then that's what I'll do. But can't see the tape hanging down. I mean the LED strip hanging down, and that's the biggest part of it. Now it's time for the wiring.
1 hour later.
For time purposes, the sun's starting to go down. It's getting a little cooler. I decided to go ahead and get everything. Done, and I'll just explain to y'all what I did to get it to where it is. Now, it's not perfect. The double-sided tape that holds the LED up. Well, let me just show it to you. All right. As you know, I already got this ran all the way down till up here, where I drilled a hole to feed it through the plastic. From there, I brought the wire up and tied it in and ran it underneath this seal. I pulled the seal up, stuffed the wire on the inside of it, and ran it all the way underneath and across. On this side is where I ran the wire. Came out on the end like I did on the other side. I tied it into the wire, which I ran exactly the same way I did over there. I tied the two wires together, took the battery out, and I drilled a hole through the firewall. And on my passenger side, and you can do it on either side of yours, this little plastic piece, I snapped it down, and that's where I drilled my hole through the firewall. And once I drilled my hole through the firewall, the little light right here, I just tapped into the back of it. So whenever it light up, the lights underneath the car light up with it, giving you that courtesy light or the walk-up light look. You know, it looked really good at night. So I'll show you guys what it looked like. All right. Here's what it looked like in the daytime. When it's lit, the other side is lit also. Which I'll give you guys a better view of it at night, because I know it's probably not showing too great now. Finally dark. Get to show you guys how the lights turned out. Light up the ground pretty good, and it's down both sides of the car. Also, light up whenever you hit your remote to unlock the doors. I think it's pretty cool, man. lock the doors, unlock